Hello Macaulay. Welcome to our channel. Today nama Tata Safari review pakalam. First nama engine and transmission la iron to start panalam. Engine type Pothing and a Cryotech 2.0L turbocharged. Engine displacement 1956 cubic centimeters. Fuel type diesel. Max power output Pothing and a 167.62 bhp at 3750 rpm. Max torque 350 Nm at 1750-2500 rpm. Emission norm Pothing and a BS6. Number of cylinders 4. Transmission manual and automatic. Gearbox 6-speed. Drive. Type FWD paddle shift not available in Safari. Curb weight 1825 kilograms. Next brakes, steering, suspension and tires Pakalam. Suspension front independent, lower wishbone, McPherson strut with coil spring and anti-roll bar. Suspension rear semi-independent twist blade with pan hard rod and coil spring. Brakes front disc. Our rear la disc Kudathurikanga steering type powered Kudathurikanga. Tire. Size 235/70 R16. Wheel size R16. Tire type tubeless, radial. Next nama variants and price tag Pakalam. XER's 14.99 lakh. XMR's 16.36 lakh. XTR's 17.81 lakh. XT Plus R's 18.61 lakh. XZR's 19.51 lakh. XZ Plus 6 STRR's 19.99 lakh. XZ Plus 6 STR Adventure Edition R's 20.20 lakh. XZ Plus R's 20.35 lakh. XZ Plus Adventure Edition R's 20.56 lakh. Next walk around view Pakalam.
Wonder at our place in the stars. This is the world you've made yourself. Now you have to live in it. The end is in our sights. The future is already here. No matter how hard we tried, we are doomed. Say your goodbyes.
Next interior view Pakalam.
Brace yourself. I can see the end inside. 3, 2, 1. Hardwired. legend. I have nothing to lose.